Well, hello everybody and welcome back. So today I have some amazing DIYs to share with you. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For our first DIY, I'll be starting off with this glass vase from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take it outside to spray paint with this Elmer's bonding glue, and then I'm going to shake in some of this specialty glitter. Next, I'm going to be using this matte black paint that I picked up from Walmart. I'll be using these gold jot stickers and they are from Dollar Tree. So guys, for our next DIY, we're going to be using rows of 8 of these wooden blocks that are from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be securing them with hot glue and a popsicle stick. So now I'm just going to take them outside to spray paint, and I'll be spray painting them gold. Now I'm going to use these bling diamond vase fillers, and they are from the Dollar Tree. I'll be combining 2 panels together with some more of the diamond vase filler and just some hot glue. And now it's time to assemble everything. I'll be using this wooden shelf from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it gold. To hang my lamp, I'm just going to use the string that came with the shelf. And I'll be attaching it with hot glue. Alright guys, that is it. That's all that I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!